Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is very delicious, soft melting and instant healthy moong dal halwa. This can be prepared in just 15 minutes by preparing the premix and store it up to 2 months. Now take the premix and make instant halwa using the homemade premix. Before getting into the recipe, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. To start with our recipe, take half cup of skinned and split moong dal. Now wash this moong dal thoroughly 2 to 3 times. This moong dal is highly rich in protein and fiber, and it also helps in lowering the high cholesterol levels in the blood system. So consider incorporating moong dal in your diet. Once this is washed thoroughly, transfer to a sieve like this and allow the water to drain. Leave it like this for 1-2 minutes, all the water will be drained. Once the water is drained, transfer to a tissue or cloth and allow it to dry. After 2 to 3 minutes, the water is well dry, and now take a pan, heat it and add a tablespoon of ghee or butter and fry this dried moong dal. Make sure to fry this moong dal on low to medium flame and keep stirring continuously so that it is not burnt. Here you can see this is well fried. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Meanwhile, while the moong dal is being cooled, measure half cup of organic coconut sugar and transfer this to a mixie jar and make it into a fine powder. You may use normal sugar also, but here to make it more healthy, I used organic coconut sugar because it is unrefined. Here you can see the powder is ready. Now transfer the cooled moong dal to a mixie jar and grind this to fine powder. Here you can see fine powder of moong dal is ready. Now transfer this powdered moong dal to a mixing bowl and keep it aside. Here I have this milk powder. You may use any brand that is available to you. Measure half cup of the milk powder and transfer to this moong dal powder. Here we have powdered organic coconut sugar, so I am transferring this sugar also to this moong dal and milk powder. Now add 3/4 spoon of ilachi or cardamom powder and give it a good mix. Here it is well combined and our halwa premix is ready. Here you can see this is a storable premix. Now here I am measuring 1 cup of this premix powder to a measuring cup, and remaining I can store it up to 2 months in refrigerator. So refrigerate the remaining powder and use it whenever it is required. This way you can make it as moong dal halwa instantly in just 15 minutes. Now heat the same pan and add 5 tablespoons of homemade ghee or butter, whatever is available with you. Once the ghee is heated, here I am adding dry fruits. Here I added pista and cashew. You may add whatever is available to you. Once they are well fried, transfer this measured 1 cup of halwa premix that we prepared and allow it to fry on a low flame. Here you can see after 2 minutes it is well fried. Now after it is well fried, here I am adding 1.5 cups of hot water and stir it. Make sure to add hot water, otherwise it may form into lumps. So to avoid lumps, I added hot water. After it is stirred for 2 to 3 minutes, here I added 1/4 cup of grated jaggery and allow this to cook on low to medium flame. Make sure to stir this continuously so that it is not burnt from the bottom. Here I have a pinch of saffron and I'm adding this saffron to get nice color and flavor of the saffron. Here you can see our halwa started thickening. So stir this continuously and allow this to cook on a low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, here I added 2 more spoons of homemade ghee and stir this continuously. Our moong dal halwa is very delicious and healthy also, because we used all healthy substitutes like moong dal, organic coconut sugar and jaggery and homemade ghee. Here I added 2 more spoons of homemade ghee and I am stirring this. You can see at this stage it is becoming very thick and it is leaving the pan. When the halwa starts leaving the pan like this, it shows that it is ready. Now transfer this to a serving bowl and enjoy this healthy, tasty, delicious, soft melting moong dal halwa. So friends, try making this delicious melting moong dal halwa for the upcoming Diwali to enjoy with your loved ones. Please do comment how you liked about it. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.